Dear children, today I am taking the class 3rd standard, subject science, topic living and non-living things. We see so many things around us, right? Which are the things you see? Yes, stone, flowers, plants, animals, and sand, rocks, hills, right? These are the things around us. We can classify these things into two groups. They are living things and non-living things. Living things means the things which have life in them are called living things. Non-living things means the things which do not have life in them are called non-living things. For example for living things, all plants, animals, birds, insects, these are all come under the living things. Stone, pen, pencil, hill, rocks, these are all the non-living things. In non-living things, again we can classify it into two groups. They are natural non-living things and man-made non-living things. Okay. In natural non-living things means non-living things that are not made by man are called natural things. Non-living things means that are not made by man are called natural things. For example, stone. Stone is not made by man. Stone, wood, sand, rock, these are all the natural non-living things. Okay. Man-made non-living things means non-living things that are made by man are called man-made things. Okay. For example, table. Table is a man-made non-living thing. Okay. Table, pen, chair, book, these are all the examples for man-made non-living things. Children, how do we decide whether the thing is living or non-living thing? Whether the thing is living or non-living thing. Things, these all have some special characteristics. Let me learn about the characteristics of living and non-living things. Okay. Let us learn about the features of living and non-living things in detail. Okay. Living things can move. Living things can move from one place to another. Animals like dog, cat, snake move on their own in search of food and shelter. Human beings and most animals use their legs to walk and run. Birds fly with the help of their wings. Fishes swim with the help of their fins and tail. Okay. Plants cannot move from one place to another. They show slow movements. Have you seen sunflower turning towards the sunlight? Yes. When touched, plants like touch me not closes quickly. A bud opens up into a flower showing slow movement. Non-living things do not move on their own. Next character is living things grow. Living things grow old and die. A baby grows into an adult. A chick comes out of an egg and grows into a hen. A plant grows from a seed. Many plants grow into a big trees. But non-living things do not grow. A table and chair in your classroom never grow. Right? Living things need food. Living things need food to grow. Food gives them energy. Human beings and animals eat plants and other animals as their food. Plants make their own food. Plants prepare their own food with the help of air, water and sunlight. Okay. See, plants prepare their food using the sunlight, carbon dioxide, oxygen, water and minerals from the soil. This process we call it as photosynthesis. But non-living things do not need any food. Living things breathe. Human beings breathe through their nose. We are all breathe through our nose. We breathe in air and give out oxygen. Breathe out oxygen. Plants breathe through the tiny holes in their leaves. They are called stomata. These tiny holes can be seen through only a microscope. Okay. Fishes have the gills to breathe. Which is the breathing organ in fish? Yes, gills are the breathing organ. But non-living things do not breathe. Next character, all living things reproduce. Reproduction means producing new young ones of their own kind. Plants yield seeds and new plants can be grown from these seeds. Birds reproduce by laying eggs. A mammal gives birth to babies. Okay. Non-living things, they do not reproduce. Okay. All living things are sensitive. They feel and react to stimuli. If you touch a hot electric iron, you immediately remove your hand. Even the plants are sensitive. When someone touches the leaves of a touch-me-not plant, the leaves collapse. Living things feel changes around their surroundings with the help of their sense organs. You already studied about the sense organs. Which are the 5 sense organs? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. Eyes, its function is to see. Ears we use to hear. Nose we use to smell and breathe. Tongue we use to taste. Skin we use to touch. But non-living things do not feel or react to any changes. Let me see some exercise activities, children. First main, multiple choice questions. First one, living things move from one place to another in search of. What are the options they given? Food, food and shelter, shelter, none. Which is the correct answer? Yes, C. That is food and shelter. Next, dash leaves close when touched. Touch-me-not plant, marigold, sunflower, jasmine. Which is the correct answer? Touch-me-not plant. Touch-me-not plant leaves close when touched. Third one, plants make their own food with the help of moonlight, tube light, sunlight, gas. Which is the correct answer? Yes, sunlight. Plants make their own food with the help of sunlight. Fourth one, plants breathe through air holes, nose, gills, tiny pores. Which is the correct answer? Tiny pores. Plants breathe through tiny pores. Fifth one, birds reproduce by laying eggs, seeds, babies and chickens. Which is the correct answer? Eggs. Birds reproduce by laying eggs. Second main, write true, T for true and F for the false statement. Living things are of two types, man-made and natural. First statement, living things are of two types, man-made and natural. It's a false statement. Okay. Next, living things do not reproduce. Living things do not reproduce. It's a false statement. Living things reproduce. Sunflower turns towards the sunlight. Yes, it is true. Next, fish breathe through air holes. Fishes breathe through air holes. It's a false statement. Fishes breathe through their gills. Fifth one, reproduction means giving birth to young ones of the same kind. Yes, it is true. Next, third main, write one word for the following. First one, things that nature gives us. Things that nature gives us, natural things. Okay. Plant that show a slow movement when touched. That is touch-me-not plant. Third one, plants breathe through these tiny holes. Tiny holes. The name is stomata. Okay. Fourth one, the process by which living organisms produce young ones of their own kind. The process by which living organisms produce young ones of their own kind. That is reproduction. Next, fifth one, fish breathe through these organs. Fishes breathe through these organs. Which organ? Gills. Let me see some question and answer. What are natural things? Give some examples. Answer. Non-living things that are not made by man are called natural things. Non-living things that are not made by man are called natural things. For example, stone, wood, sand, rock, etc. Second question, what are man-made things? Give some examples. Non-living things that are made by man are called man-made things. For example, table, pen, chair, etc. Third question, how do plants move? Plants show slow movement. Sunflower turns towards the sun. When we touch-me-not plant, it closes quickly and a bud opens up into a flower. Fourth question, differentiate between living and non-living things. Living things. First one, living things cannot move. In non-living things do not move on their own. Second point, living things grow but non-living things do not grow. Living things breathe but non-living things do not breathe. Living things need food but non-living things do not need food. Living things reproduce, non-living things do not reproduce. All of you practice exercise activities and these question answers.